How to make fire in Fortnite Creative. So as you guys can see, I have a whole fire right here. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. Alright, so what you have to do first is click on escape, then go to island settings. Now from here, you're gonna have to go to content. Then once you're at content, you have to go to the fourth option right here where it says devices. Just click on that. Then once you're over here, you're gonna have to search a VFX. Then once you search a VFX, you have three options right here. You're gonna click on VFX Creator. Click on place now, and you can place it anywhere you want. So I'm gonna place it right here. Alright, so what you have to do now is go on the VFX one, click on customize, and just copy all my settings. I'm gonna go on the second one right here where it said all options and just copy all my settings. So yes, all, smoke, 4x, 1 second, random, no, and make sure you put this color exactly. All you have to do is just click on the color and just go over here and just type the same thing and it's gonna come up. Scroll down, main color brightness, make sure it's 3.7. Use secondary color, click on yes. Now you do the same thing. Random secondary color, click on no. And just put on the color right here. Do the same thing, go over here and just type the name. It should come up. Scroll down, 3.7, 50%, 40%, 50%. Scroll down, keep size, no. Size over time, make sure that's 200. Spawn time, just copy this right here. Effect generation amount, 50%. Loop forever. Loop duration, put 1 second. Time between loops, make sure that's instant. Spawn zone shape, right here, this one. Spawn zone size, 0.5. Stick to player, no. I'll just click on OK. And it should look like this. And if you want to make it even bigger, what you have to do is just go back over here. Scroll down. And for the size, if you want to put it even higher, so let's do 5. It's going to be a little bigger, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you add fire in Fortnite Creative. If this would help, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.